Hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Forms Study Circle. Today I will discuss about most important MCQs in human anatomy and physiology. This is section very helpful in your GPAT and NIPER and any pharmacy competitive exams. It's very helpful in this section. Please watch this video. Let's start the today class. Question number 1. The plasma membrane is mainly composed of option A protein, B phospholipid, C lipid, D cellulose. Correct option is option B phospholipid. This question about explanation. Phospholipid are a class of lipids, a major component of a cell membrane as the from a lipid bilayers. Second question. The ribosomes are present on the A. Cell membrane, B. Golgi apparatus, option C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Explanation. The endoplasmic reticulum is a transport network of filtrate membrane enclosed tubes as a system for creatine modification. Question number 3. Smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum is associated with A. Protein synthesis, B. Amino acid synthesis, C. Steroid hormone synthesis, D. None of the above. Correct option is option C. Steroid hormone synthesis. Explanation. Steroid hormone synthesis as a function in a metabolic process. Question number 4. Golgi apparatus is concentrated with option A. Detoxification mechanism, B. Synthesis of hormones, C. Secretions, D. None of the above. Correct option is option C. Secretions. Explanation. Golgi apparatus process of and package the macromolecules such as protein and that are synthesized by the cell. Question number 5. Protein is synthesized by option A. Ribosome, B. Endoreticulum, C. Golgi apparatus, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Ribosome. Explanation. Ribosome is a large complex of RNA and protein molecules. Question number 6. DNA is mainly present in A. Ribosome, B. Plasma membrane, C. Nucleus, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Nucleus. Explanation. DNA is found inside a special area the cell called the nucleus. Question number 7. The interval between each cell division is called A. Metaphase, B. Interphase, C. Anaphase, D. Telophase. Correct option is B. Interphase. Explanation. Interphase is the phase of the cell cycle in which the cell spends the majority of its time. Question number 8. The kidney tubule contain A. Cuboidal epithelium, B. Stratified epithelium, C. Ciliated epithelium, D. None of the above. Correct option A. Cuboidal epithelium. Explanation. The kidney tubule is portion of the nephron containing the majority fluid filtrated through the glomerular filtration. Question number 9. The uterine tube is lined with A. Squamous epithelium, B. Columnar epithelium, C. Cubical epithelium, D. Ciliated epithelium. Correct option D. Ciliated epithelium. Explanation. Uterine tube also known as fallopian tube. Question number 10. Skin contain A. Non-keratinized stratified epithelium, B. Keratinized stratified epithelium, C. Translational epithelium, D. None of the above. Correct option B. Keratinized stratified epithelium. Explanation. Skin is the largest organ of the body system. Keratinized stratified epithelium covers the surface of body. Question number 11. Which one of these is a connective tissue? A. Blood, B. Keratinized cell, C. Sarcomere, D. None of the above. Correct option A. Blood. Explanation: blood is a body fluid that delivers necessary substance such as nutrient and O2 to the cells and metabolic waste product away from same cells. Question number 12. Mast cells are responsible for a release of A. Serotonin, B. Fat acid, C. Creatine, D. None of the above. Correct option A. Serotonin. Explanation: serotonin is also called 5-hydroxytryptamine is a monoamine neurotransmitter. Question number 13. The tissue responsible for elasticity and tensile strength is option A. Adipose tissue, B. Fibrous tissue, C. Areolar tissue, D. Epithelium. Correct option is option B. Fibrous tissue. Explanation: areolar tissue is sometimes called loose connective tissue. It is strong enough to bind different tissue type together at soft end to provide flexibility and cushioning. Question number 14. Myoglobin is present in A. Blood, B. Striated muscle fiber, C. Epithelium, D. Bone. Correct option is A. Blood. Explanation: myoglobin is iron and oxygen binding protein found in the muscle tissue of vertebrates. Question number 15. Rhythmicity is a property of A. Cardiac muscles, B. Voluntary muscles, C. Nervous muscle, D. Globular muscle. Correct option A. Cardiac muscles. Explanation: cardiac muscles is also known as heart muscles in involuntary stratified muscles. And please share, like, subscribe the Cuboid Forms Study Circle. More than videos, please watch this video. Please watch this YouTube channel. Please everyone share and like, subscribe this channel. Question number 16. Axon and dendrites are a part of A. Cardiac muscles, B. Voluntary muscles, C. Neuron, D. Brain. Correct option C. Neuron. Explanation: a neuron is an electrical excitable cell that processes and transmits information through electrical and chemical signals. Question number 17. The lymphatic tissue are concerned with A. Pancreas, B. Brain, C. Spleen, D. Thyroid. Correct option B. Brain. Explanation: spleen is the organ that is responsible for purification of the blood as well as the storing blood cells. Question number 18. The visceral muscles is present in A. Respiratory tract, B. Bones, C. Heart, D. None of the above. Correct option A. Respiratory tract. Explanation: visceral muscles also found in arteries, bladder and digestive tract. Question number 19. The average volume of blood in human body is A. 5.5 liters, B. 10 liters, C. 4 liters, D. 6 liters. Correct option A. 5.5 liters. Explanation: blood volume is regulated by the kidneys. Blood volume measurement is for diagnosis suffering from congestive heart failure and renal failure. Question number 20. The immunoresponse of the body is related to A. Albumins, B. Fibrin, C. Globulins, D. None of the above. Correct option answer C. Globulins. Explanation: globulins are an integral component of the proteins in the blood. Question number 21. Which one of these nitrogenous waste product present of the proteins in the blood? Options: A. Protein, B. Heparin, C. Retinine, D. None of the above. Correct option is option A. Protein. Question number 22. Which one of these CES is non-nucleotide? A. RBC, B. basophils, C. lymphocytes, D. leukocytes. Correct option A. Red blood cells. Explanation: red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. Question number 23. Normal hemoglobin value in male is options A. 12 grams dilute, B. 13 grams, C. 15 grams dilute, D. 17 grams. Correct option C. 15 grams. Which one of 24? Which one of this group is a universal donor? Options AB blood group, B A blood group, C B blood group, D O blood group. Correct option A is option A, AB blood groups. Explanation: AB positive is universal donor blood group AB. Individual have both A and B antigens on the surface of red blood cells, and plasma does not contain any against either A and B antigen. Question number 25. Which one of these leukocytes are present in major concentration? Options A. Neutrophils, B. basophils, C. eosinophil, D. lymphocytes. Correct option A. Neutrophils. Explanation: neutrophil granulocytes and less than 500 cells ml is called neutropenia. Question number 26. Fibrogen is synthesized. Options A. liver, B. kidney, C. spleen, D. bone marrow. Correct option A. liver. Explanation: fibrogen is a protein produced by the liver. Question number 27. Polycythemia is options A. increased number of red blood cells, B. increased ESR, C. increased size of red blood cells, D. none of the above. Explanation: correct option A. increased number of red blood cells. Explanation: polycythemia is also called known as polyglobulin. Question number 28. Megablastic macrocytic anemia occurs due to options A. deficiency of iron, B. reduced erythropoiesis, C. vitamin B12 folic acid, D. none of the above. Correct option answer C. vitamin B12 folic acid. Explanation: vitamin B12 also known as cyanocobalamin. Question number 29. The clotting of blood is due to options A. RBC, B. WBC, C. blood platelet, D. neutrophils. Correct option is C. blood platelet. Explanation: blood platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Question number 30. The leukocytes are produced in options A. spleen, B. liver, C. lymph gland, C. bone marrow, D. bone marrow. Correct option D. bone marrow. Explanation: leukocytes is also known as white blood cells, RBC and WBC, and platelets produced in bone marrow. Thank you everyone.